Welcome to Math 201 Portfolio Part 3, where we dive into the world of mortgages, monthly payments, and financial analysis. In this project, you'll embark on a journey to pick houses of interest, calculate estimated monthly payments, and evaluate your financial readiness for home ownership. To begin your path to home ownership, lenders require documents to assess your ability to repay the loan. You'll need to describe essential documents like pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. If you're not familiar with these, consider doing some research. These documents are crucial as they prove your income, employment, and funds. Next, it's time to explore potential homes. Use platforms like Zillow.com or Realtor.com to find 5 houses you'd consider buying. Gather details such as address, city, state, list price, and specifics like bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage. This research will help you make informed decisions. With your houses of interest in mind, calculate the monthly payment using the loan calculator at calculatorsoup.com. The link is provided on the portfolio template. Assume a 30-year loan or 360 months with a 5% interest rate and a $5,000 down payment. This step is vital to understanding the financial commitment involved in purchasing a home. Be sure to subtract the $5,000 down payment from the list price before entering the loan amount into the calculator. Now let's assess the affordability of each house by calculating the housing ratio. Use the formula, monthly payment divided by net pay, times 100%. Reflect on which houses are within your budget and why. This analysis will guide you in making a financially sound decision. Choose one house within your budget and calculate the total amount paid over 30 years, along with the interest. If none meet the budget criteria, select any house for the next steps. Show all your work to ensure accuracy in your financial analysis. As you finalize your choice, estimate the closing costs, which are typically 5% of the list price. Use the formula, list price times 0.05 to calculate the exact dollar amount. Understanding closing costs is essential for a comprehensive financial plan. It's time for a final financial analysis. Reflect in 3 to 4 sentences on your readiness to buy today, in 2 years, or in 5+ years. Explain your decision based on your analysis, considering your current financial situation and future goals. As you wrap up your project, keep these helpful tips in mind. Be realistic about your income and expenses, use actual listings and real data, double-check all calculations, and submit clean and organized work on Blackboard under Module 6. These tips will ensure a successful and insightful project. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via Blackboard or email. Remember, this project is not just an academic exercise. It applies math to real-life scenarios, preparing you for the exciting journey of home ownership.